Alright, this is AHA 10, What Put Out the Fire, and for this one you need a small candle that is inside of a beaker. For this one I have a birthday candle, and I couldn't find a beaker, so I have a measuring cup with some high walls. You also need vinegar. Here's my vinegar, and here is lighter, and you also need baking soda and a little bit of water. And so for this, you're going to place the candle inside the beaker, which is what I've done. And so first I'm going to light the candle. Okay, and now that it's in here, I am going to add a small amount of first I'm going to add some baking soda and some water. Alright, then I am going to light the candle. And after this, I'm going to pour about 2 tablespoons of vinegar into the beaker. Well, my candle is still lit, so that obviously means that I have done something wrong. And this happens all the time in science, so you have to go back and redo your discovery. This relates to science because fire needs oxygen in order to burn, and when oxygen is removed from the fire goes out. And this relates to the textbook in chapter 10, and basically I believe if you were to do this in the classroom, you would need a climate that is safe for all students who will follow given directions. This experiment could easily go wrong in the classroom, and I believe it also relates to the other chapters 3 and chapters 4, when they were talking about explanations for things and observations, basically, because here my candle is still lit, which obviously means that I have done something wrong. So this is a part of exploration and going back over and collecting data, and I would use that data to redo my experiment and try it again to come up with the correct results for the project. But I'm actually going to try to do it right now. So I'm going to take my candle out and I'm going to pour this out. And this time what I'm going to do differently is I'm going to actually mix my baking soda and water solution before I put it into the bottom of the container, because I truly would like to see the real results, see what's really going to happen. Sticking it back in here. This time I'm going to put my baking soda in the cup first. I guess that's enough. And put some water in. Now, slightly pour into the bottom of the cup, being careful not to touch the flame. I think now this time it's probably too much, but that's okay. And now I'm going to light the candle and do the vinegar this time. This time I see it kind of sparking, and after 4 cups of vinegar, the light is out. So, sorry, not 4 cups, 4 capfuls. So this is, I guess, what is supposed to happen.